Hello guys, today I am back with a new video with a new topic. Today we are going to make a amazing drop down pattern using HTML and CSS. How it looks, look at it. Yes, I can explain you all of these codes step by step. Hello friends. So friends, we need to firstly import our basic HTML template and after that start coding into body section. Firstly we need a div called wrapper, and then into the div all need a main, and into that all divs like d, and that needed d. Okay, and copy that d r. Then all done in our HTML section. Then after that we start coding CSS. We need wrapper and set a background color, then drop main. Then we need some display flex, font size maybe 7 and margin maybe 1.5. Justify content, font family. We import our font in firstly, then I provide the link in our description. Into all of these parts like D, R, O, P, the sections going to done D, then animation of 0.4 second linear forward, then color maybe 0. Okay, then we move on to the next one. D are also the same, but some changes in our copy paste. Forward needs to change 0.2 second, and color also change 9FFF. Okay, we copy paste all of this stuff. DROP and exclamation DRO. P. And this one is S, and change the numbers, forwards numbers, and 0.0 color also. Okay, after that we need to apply a keyframe to drop this, like drop animation. Transform, translate y direction minus 200 pixel. Also change the opacity to 0. Copy that to 1, maybe that's enough. 0% to 50%. Translate y is 0 pixel maybe. This one is 65%. Also opacity can be changed. Opacity 1, and this one is minus 17, and 75 pixel, 75%, 17 minus. This one is 100. This one is 0 pixel. All done. So that's the code. If you have any trouble to do this, let me know in the comment section. So bye. Hello friends.